Okay, so this is card number 10 from the lovely Lavender paper pumpkin, which was the January 2024 kit. And this is all I have left. So I wasn't able to do card number 10. And so I'm just going to give you a little overview of how to do it. So when I did my paper pumpkin, I took half of it out and use that for my cards. And then that way I would have enough to make the second card on a video, which really isn't really enough. It's kind of like, you make it work, but I would have loved to have had a few more pieces, but I wanted to be able to do half of it for the video and half of it for my card kit without having to buy a second card kit this month or a second paper pumpkin kit. And so that is what I did here. And so when I got to card number 10. So card number 10 is this cute little card. And those are my instructions. So what happened is I saw this sitting, I was getting ready to put all the leftover pieces, which are these. I had two of the crumb cake card bases. This little piece here. And this little piece, this was left over, and some of the tags. And so I was getting ready to put them back in the envelopes after preparing. And this piece was also left over, and this little strip in the bottom here. And I said, oh my gosh, that would make a really cute card. So what I did is I had already used this to cut out a circle for card number, let's see, for card number, this one down here. Trying not to drop them all over the floor. So for card number 7, I had used this piece to cut out a circle because I had used it to cut some other things out of the front. So this was gone and this is what was left. So I cut out this circle using the, what are they called? Everyday Details dies. And it was just sitting there and I thought, oh my gosh, that's a cute little card to just be able to glue it to some a piece of gorgeous grape. And so what I did is I then put a little white in the background to pop it up. And then on the inside, there's a strip. And so when I attached this strip, I just put glue right down along the bottom here and up the sides and made myself a little pocket. So I attached the basic white here, which is 5 by 3 3/4, and attached this over top of it and made this little pocket here. And I had some of these from the Christmas catalog that were left over in their gift card holders. And I thought that's perfect. And then you could write a little note in there. And so you're just going to attach the strip that was left over. It's just one whole piece. It's not even cut there. It was left over from a card base that I had cut. And just stamp that, attach that to the white, stamp the little greeting through the center there, and tie a bow and add some gorgeous the purple fine shimmer bling to it. So that is a really simple card. I hope you've enjoyed this group of cards. And if you're interested, next month's paper pumpkin, I think it's Easter, because it'll be February, and they usually run about a month ahead. And so next month is Easter. I will put the link below where you can sign up to get that. Even if you don't live local near me where you can attend the class, I will do the kits and we'll send them out. So I will put that in below the video so you can register for that. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you've enjoyed Paper Pumpkin as much as I have.